say goodbye to the mess of charging cables in the car. This 4-in-1 car charger has dual retractable cables and a 180 degrees rotating plug. It can charge 4 devices via USB-C/USB-A at the same time and supports PD 3.0 and QC fast charging. This cargo net attaches to the ceiling handles to create extra storage space in your car. This panoramic gravery mirror is designed to expand viewing range while enhancing the driver's view of blind spots and encouraging safer driving. It takes a few seconds to clip and lock into place onto your existing review mirror. Here's what I'm able to see with my regular review mirror. Here's the after with the panoramic mirror attachment. Really helps eliminate blind spots. And this sun visor extender is fully adjustable to universally fit all visors. And this mini gadget inflates your tires in a few seconds and has a motorcycle, bike and sports equipment mode to inflate all of your items at home. This gap seat filler has 2 USB ports to easily charge your devices and storage space to hold your phone. This gap seat filler also gives you an additional cup holder or space for a mini trash can and storage space for your keys and wallet. And this magnetic charging cable never tangles to easily store in your car. And these mini visor clips are perfect for holding your favorite sunglasses. This is a car French fry and sauce holder. It has a door clip and can clip onto your door, or there is also a van clip so it can clip onto your carvan. This car gadget is a great way to enjoy your fries in the car. This stylish change holder keeps your coins organized and stored in your console ready for use.